All right, so here, something that doesn't look too complicated, but what we're going to try to do is take the derivative of a constant. And then you say, how is this going to work? I mean, are we going to go back to the derivative definition? Are we going to use one of these rules that we've conjured up to this point? And the answer is, we could if we wanted to, but let's just take a step back and think about this for what it is, because this should not seem like too crazy of a function. Here is a function which is a constant, always. So think about this function. This function is a constant. C here, to be clear, C is any real number. C could be 10, C could be 20, C could be 5, C could be minus 5, C could be minus 10, C could be 0, C could be 2.7, C could be just a number. There's no x involved here, just a number. So what this means is, no matter what x is, you always get out C. If you imagine this just so that we have something concrete to sort of visualize, what if f of x was 8? That means when x is 10, you get 8. When x is 5, you get 8. When x is 1, you get 8. When x is 0, you get 8. No matter what x is, you get 8. This function is a flat horizontal line. If f of x was 18, then go up to 18, a flat horizontal line. Put in any x, get out 18. X equals 5, 18, x equals 10, 18, x equals negative 2, 18. And now, what does the derivative do? The derivative produces a function which describes the slopes of the tangent lines. Now, consider this function. Zoom in on any point. What do you get? You get a flat horizontal line. And then the question becomes, what is the slope of a flat horizontal line? It is neither uphill and positively sloped or downhill and negatively sloped. It is between the positive slopes and the negative slopes. And what is between the positives and the negatives? 0. This guy has a slope of 0, and since this line has a slope of 0, and this is the shape of the line for any constant, f of x equals 118 would still be a horizontal line, just happen to be up at 118. F of x equals any constant is just a horizontal line, slope 0. So the derivative of any constant is just 0.